I'm Niall. A student of mine asked me to tab out this solo. It's Slash's badass guitar break from 6 minutes into Estranged by Guns N' Roses. So without further ado, here we go.
Very nice.
Now I've tabbed it out in C because that's where Slash played it on the guitar. So the song is technically in the key of B, but Guns N' Roses generally detuned by a semitone. So I've tabbed it in C. If you want to detune afterwards, that's fair enough. Or if you want to play it in a different key, just transpose it. So I'm going to break this video up into bits. Now I'm not going to perform the solo up to speed in this video. If I did, it would probably be blocked. So I'm going to do a short of it, link up here, if you want to play along with it up to speed. So let's get into this beauty. So I'm going to break the solo into a couple of sections, play it slowly, then up to speed, then play the whole thing slowly. And then as I say, you can follow the link to playing the whole thing up to speed. I'm playing this on my 2002 Godin Solidac. Beautiful guitar, made in Canada. I have the pickups set to neck and bridge together. There's no coil tap in this. These are humbuckers, pure and simple. I'm playing through a Line6 Pod 2 from around 2002 as well. I'm using a 1mm Delrin pick for this. It gives a beautiful bright sound. It's a nice stiff pick, so you can play quite fast with it. So follow the tabs below, and here we go. It's very important to mute all the strings that you're not playing in this, otherwise it'll be a big noisy mess. I've done a video on muting already. If you want to check that out first, have a look up here. Very briefly, just for example, for this first note, I'll be muting these strings with my thumb and these two strings here with my index finger. And I'm giving a big rake down here to hit the note. Before you do that, you do this little slide, completely muted. Here we go. Next bit. It's quite a handful there, so once more. Next part. Once more. And up to speed. This is almost all done on a C major scale, like this. So try and get used to that first. Same scale. The next part. And once more. So just doing that little bend there. Quite high up the neck, depending on your guitar, you might have trouble accessing that. And up to speed. Next bit. Very Brian May, this bit. And once more. And the next part. Once more. Now if you've had trouble with any part of this, don't forget you can just go back along the video, Keep going over it, and you'll get there. It's not a terribly hard solo to play. It just can be a little bit uncomfortable up here for some people. Okay, here we go. Slowly, the whole thing. And that's how you play Slash's amazing solo from Estranged. 6 minutes in. I hope you found it helpful. I'm Niall O'Riordan. Thank you so much for watching. If there are any songs or solos you'd like me to do a tutorial on, drop a comment below and I'll try and get back to you. While you're down there, don't forget to drop a like and hit that notification bell so YouTube will tell you when my next video drops. Watch a similar video up here. Subscribe to the channel here. Watch my latest video up here. Meanwhile, learn a tune a week and build up your chops.